interesting video. If you do not like this kind of content, go hug a tree. For everybody else, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
What's up, everybody? Thanks for watching the video again. PCP slugging. Finally got my Arkin. Scope. My scope cam finally came from the UK, and they sent me the 50-50. I ordered the 25-75 for better footage for you guys. So unfortunately, I had to send it back, and that was a bitch because I waited forever for that thing, and I know it's going to take forever to get the new one. So for now, just doing regular little GoPro videos, but 100 yards, 20.4 grain Nielsen slugs, 2.7. It's like a tornado out here, you guys. Super bad windstorm. Show you guys exactly what they can do in the wind. They still do it. I want to say it's gusting like 30-40 miles an hour. I'm only holding 2 mils, so that's not bad at 100 yards. So I'll get the scope cam down, or get the camera down there, and show you guys what's going on. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching again, you guys. 100 yards downrange, 20.4 grain NSA slugs. Here we go. You can see the wind. No joke out here, you guys. Real deal. Look at homeboy's head just bent straight over. So here we go. Like and subscribe. My GoPro was dying up there, but you can see nice group there on that side, just a little bit more from the wind. Can't beat it. Look at this wind. Look at this shit. Down. Like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.